Hi, I'm Mike Guerriere, and my dream is to be a sports broadcaster. To be a great sports broadcaster, there is one thing that distinguishes between good and great, and that one thing is experience. I can practice in the mirror all I want, and so can everybody else that wants my job, but nothing can replicate having to do a live broadcast. In any career, having experience, and more importantly, real game time experience, is what separates you from the sea of competitors. This is the story of how HPU looks for every opportunity to arm students like me with experiences that will propel us ahead in career pursuits. This is a behind-the-scenes look at how life skills are developed. This is what happens when HPU takes their men's basketball national broadcast on ESPNU and turns it into an exciting learning opportunity for the students, an opportunity to turn classroom content into real-world context. This is the story of the Panther pregame live broadcast.
Discussing with each other, turn with your heads, not really with your bodies or your chest.
Yeah. I'll go here. You don't really have to look.
I don't have to look at that one.
You really just gotta look at him.
That is good.
I mean, the end of the CCU unit is good to do the bouncing, but this is good for you in terms of
Focus seems to be a little like smoother.
It's been a lot of fun. It's very run and gun, so it was short notice and I just kind of dove right into it. It's great to get to learn and put some of my classroom skill sets to use. It's been really fantastic as a High Point student to get certain elements that are so unique to the university. With this, it's a fantastic way to show what the school has to offer to students beyond just being inside the arena and experiencing sports. It's all about the environment of being a college student. I've had fantastic experience with Martin Meow and the opportunities he has provided me on this campus with both in-classroom and out-of-classroom projects, so I can't be grateful enough.
So I'm the stage manager tonight. That means I work with our camera ops and I communicate between them and the director, usually via this headset. We started last week with our pre-production phase, getting equipment. So we set up on Tuesday. We are running rehearsals all day today and now we're ready for the show. I feel like I have so many opportunities here at campus, whether it's clubs or internships or working for campus, that I feel like my most enriching opportunities come from outside of class, from campus itself.
Honestly, all of these curveballs that we face on a daily basis, our professors just prepare us to work together and sometimes overcome these as a group.
I've learned so much in just a few months I've been working with Joe Michaels, and I feel like I've been learning all of this for years now, and it's been maybe a month.
My role here tonight is on-air talent. I am one of the pre-game show hosts. I mean, this is awesome. I'm from Tenafly, New Jersey, so from up north, coming here down south, here for an awesome opportunity. A lot of professors have helped me. They've definitely been here every step of the way and helping me feel prepared and just really be ready to go. I mean, it's game day. Gotta get ready. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to go on live television, so I mean, yeah, I'm a little nervous, but other than that, you know, it's just kind of selling the nerves, just the being in the moment type of thing.
So tonight I'm technical directing. All that means is I'm listening to my director and I'm pushing the buttons to make sure the show happens. I'm really excited. This is the largest video board broadcast that we have ever done out of Control Room A or B. We've got 8 cameras and we're looking at record-breaking attendance for today. I'm really excited to see what we've got in store. High Point University from day one has put me in the studio, put me hands-on with every single bit of equipment that I see in this room, that I see in the School of Communications, and that really I'm going to see in my entire career. So I'm really thankful that High Point's given me this opportunity.
So I will be directing the show, which means I am cutting cameras and calling the cameras and calling the shots. So when eventually there's someone who rappels out of the ceiling, I will be telling that person to rappel out of the ceiling. When we have a replay that needs to be put on the board, I'm calling the replay and telling the replay to go on. And this opportunity is one of a kind where
No other university has given any students the capability to do what I'm doing at this current moment.
Welcome to beautiful High Point, North Carolina, a town which hails its name from having the greatest altitude along the North Carolina Railroad when it was settled. With the men's and women's basketball seasons in full swing, a fitting analogy for the Cobain Center at High Point University, which will host the Big South Conference Championships, the highest point of the Big South college basketball season. It all starts here with Longwood at High Point on ESPNU, but first, this is the Panther pregame.
Welcome here on to HPU Plus for the very first edition of Panther Pregame. Alongside Garrett Escala, I'm Mike Guerriere. What a wonderful night we have. A very highly anticipated Thursday night matchup between these two teams. High Point versus Longwood. Really good job what they did for the tailgate, really putting it out for their fans and getting them to come in and bring that excitement from outside.
You know, the fans better bring the excitement, and like you just said, we have to raise our voices. It's so loud in here. You know, they're out at the tailgate, getting ready, getting excited. You know, they're coming in here. Look at this, there's a zebra that almost came and hit us. But, you know, they're getting rowdy in here already. You know what, Mike? As much as I want to be out there tailgating and being here with the fans, I'm happy to be here with you for the first edition of Panther Pregame.
Well, it was great to have just finished the pregame show. I think it ran really well. I was nervous about it being planned so late, and a lot of pieces hadn't been finished yet, but in these last couple hours, we got everything together, and it came together nicely.
This place is going to be electric. You feel the energy in here right now. You add an NCAA tournament berth on top of that, and the roof might blow off.
But that's all we have here on HPU Plus. Alongside Garrett Escala, I'm Mike Guerriere. A very anticipated matchup coming up next on ESPNU. But have a great night.
We're clear.
We are clear. Great job, everyone.
The atmosphere definitely attributed to helping out and keeping us excited and motivated throughout the process, and we really dominated and really took care of business here. It's game time here at High Point, and let's go Panthers, baby!